Prompt engineering might be the most important skill you can acquire as a student in 2024 and beyond. Have you ever asked ChatGPT or another AI model for advice and felt underwhelmed by the response? You might start to question all the hype. If AI can't nail the basics, what good is it? Hold that thought before you pin the blame on AI. Consider this. Maybe the way you're asking is part of the problem. Yes, you heard that right. The issue might not be the AI itself, but how you're communicating with it. In the next decade, mastering the art of crafting the right prompts, known as prompt engineering, will be crucial to unlocking the full potential of AI. In this video, I'll dive into what prompt engineering really entails and how you can start improving your interactions with ChatGPT and similar LLMs immediately. Mastering this skill can not only impress your peers, but also dramatically boost your productivity as a student. And now, without further ado, welcome to Shribe. In today's world, AI isn't just a futuristic idea. It's a part of our daily lives. AI appears everywhere, powering search engines, guiding us through apps, and facilitating customer support through chatbots and virtual assistants. Being able to communicate effectively with AI simplifies life and amplifies your efficiency at work or in your studies, making prompt engineering a critical skill in the modern job market. Good prompt engineering hinges on your ability to give precise, clear instructions. Think about it. How much time do you actually spend crafting a prompt for ChatGPT? If it's merely 5 seconds, that's likely not enough. Taking a bit more time to consider your prompt can make a world of difference. A hastily typed sentence can lead to misinterpretations, whereas a thoughtfully crafted prompt, though taking a few minutes longer, can yield results that are 10 times better. By learning how to make your requests more precise, you unleash the AI's potential to deliver exactly the answers you're looking for. There are 5 basic principles that can help you successfully communicate with AI models like ChatGPT or DALL-E. These principles are clarity, context, conciseness, explicitness, and iteration. Clarity is crucial for the AI to understand exactly what is expected of it. A clearly formulated prompt reduces misunderstandings and leads to more accurate responses. It's about being unambiguous without leaving room for interpretation. Context provides the AI with background information relevant to answering the query. It helps the AI understand the request in the correct frame and respond appropriately. For example, adding that a text is intended for a specialist audience can influence the type of response. Conciseness aims to keep the query as compact as possible. A long, rambling prompt can confuse the AI. Instead, the prompt should be to the point, without unnecessary details. Explicitness means that specific instructions or expectations are clearly communicated. For example, you can tell the AI that you want the results in the form of a table. Iteration and experimentation acknowledge that not every prompt is perfect right away. Prompt engineering is a process of trial and adjustment. You ask a question, analyze the response, and refine your next inquiry based on the feedback. This cyclical process helps you perfect your prompts so you will receive more accurate and relevant answers. To professionalize your prompts and systematize your prompt engineering, consider creating a prompt library today. It is essentially a database full of prepared questions or instructions designed to elicit specific and high-quality responses from AI. These collections can range from simple request examples to complex prompt sets developed for advanced applications. There are 3 benefits to such a thing. Well, time saving and efficiency. Having access to a collection of tested prompts allows you to interact with AI more quickly and effectively. It saves you the effort of constantly formulating new prompts by providing proven options right at your disposal. Quality improvement. The prompts in a library are usually optimized and tested, either by you or someone else, to ensure they deliver reliable results. This ensures greater consistency and quality of responses. Source of inspiration. Such a library serves not only as a practical tool, but you could also learn something from it. For example, if you install a library or download it that someone else has created. As you browse the library, you might come across new ideas for formulating your AI prompts, leading to more creative and effective prompts. For you as a student who regularly works with AI, integrating a prompt library into your daily workflow will be a game changer. Many tools and platforms now allow for the direct integration of prompt libraries, simplifying access and use. Some platforms like Prompt Hero or Prompt Base offer a wide range of prompts specifically for students. Here, users not only share the prompts themselves, but also useful information about the creative process and the results achieved. FlowGPT, on the other hand, focuses on prompts for ChatGPT and allows you as a student to try them out directly on the platform. In addition to using these existing libraries, you can, of course, create your own collection. Simply use a digital tool or spreadsheet and sort your prompts by category or frequency of use. If you've used individual prompts and maybe made slight adjustments, save the improved prompt each time. This keeps your library up to date and you save valuable time the next time you need the prompt. Prompt engineering overall isn't just helpful in the short term. If you've been following my channel for a while, you know that lifelong learning is one of my core values. Starting to think and act like a prompt engineer will not only help you with your next term paper, but also in applying for a job next year, your probationary work in 2 years, your important client project in 4, and your big career leap in 10 years. AI is here to stay. Whether you like it or not doesn't really matter. Acting pragmatically means making friends with AI. The sooner, the better. So why should you dive into prompt engineering today? Learning how to engineer your prompts is super important as a student. Whether you want AI to support you in writing your next term paper or as a study buddy in preparation for your next exam, prompt engineering is the way to go. Now it's your turn. Use prompt engineering techniques to take your next paper, project, or exam prep to the next level. Here's a small challenge for you. Choose a topic you're currently working on or a project that's coming up. Maybe you want to conduct comprehensive research on a specific subject or analyze complex data. Apply the principles of prompt engineering to make more effective use of AI tools. Start with a clear, context-related request. For example, formulate a prompt asking ChatGPT or a different LLM that is tailored for research purposes to give you a summary of the latest research findings on a specific topic, or use an AI tool for data analysis to identify patterns in your research data. Document your steps, the various prompts you try, and the results you obtain in your own prompt library. Reflect on how adjusting your prompts has influenced the AI's responses and which techniques were most effective. Share your discoveries and insights with your classmates in a study group or with your lecturer. Just kidding. Or in the comment section under this video. Let's discuss together how we can use prompt engineering to take our studies to the next level.